আজ কলকাতায় এক সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে স্টেট ব্যাংক অফ ইন্ডিয়া প্রকাশ করল 2014-15 অর্থবর্ষের ফিনান্সিয়াল রেজাল্ট, যেখানে ব্যাংকের নেট প্রফিট, অপারেটিং প্রফিট, গ্রস এনপিএ রেশিও, ব্যাড লোন সহ একাধিক বিষয়ের রিপোর্ট কার্ড প্রকাশ করা হয়।
For the SBI Group, the profit for the year was 16,994 crores, up 19.9% from the previous year. But if you look at the quarter 4 alone, this was up 23.06% from 3,041 crores to 3,742 crores. And for the SBI Group, it went up by 18.42% from 3,964 crores to 4,694 crores. This is contributed by the operating profit going up by 16.76% for the bank, non-interest income going up by 29.31%. Expense ratio has come down by 282 basis points during the fourth quarter. The gross NPA ratio has come down by 70 basis points and the net NPA ratio by 45 basis points. Interest expenses were at 25,389 crores, an increase of 10.61%, and for the year as a whole, an increase of 11.84% at 97,382 crores. Net interest income for the bank for the fourth quarter was 14,711 crores, recording a growth of 14.02%, and for the year it was 55,014 crores, an increase of 11.63%. Operating profit of the bank was 12,409 crores during the fourth quarter, an increase of 16.76%. For the full year, the operating profit was 38,913 crores, an increase of 21.19%. Consequently, the net profit was 3,742 crores, increase of 23%, and for the year as a whole, 13,102 crores, an increase of 20.30%. Mid corporate at 2,27,000 crore, which is almost stationary with a slight degrowth. SME grew by about 1% to 1,81,473 crores. Home loans grew by 13% to 1,59,237 crores. Auto loans grew by 15% to 32,149 crores, and direct agri advances by about 1% to 1,21,000 crores. This is how the NPAs have moved during the quarter. The opening NPA level was 61,991 crores. During the quarter, we made recoveries of 4,485 crores. There was upgradation of 676 crores. 4,874 was transferred to OCA. The fresh slippages was 4,769 crores. So consequently, there was a decline of 5,266 crores in the NPAs, and the closing level of NPAs is 56,725 crores. We made recoveries of 870 crores in the written off accounts, and as you can see from the slides, there has been consistent improvement in the recoveries that the bank has been making in the written off accounts.
স্টেট ব্যাংক অফ ইন্ডিয়ার বার্ষিক আর্থিক ফলাফল প্রকাশ অনুষ্ঠানে ব্যাংকের চেয়ারপারসন অরুন্ধতী ভট্টাচার্য স্পষ্টতই জানালেন, তারা একদিকে যেমন গ্রাহক সুবিধার্থে ডিজিটাল প্ল্যাটফর্ম ব্যবহারের উপর গুরুত্ব দিচ্ছেন, তেমনি অনাদায়ী ঋণ আদায়ের জন্য বিশেষ পদক্ষেপ গ্রহণ করছেন।
In this past year, what we have actually done is consolidated the regular lines of business, the existing lines of business, and on the other side, we have tried to explore new business opportunities. In respect of the new business opportunities, we started on the digital journey with the opening of the InTouch branches in 6 cities. 7 of those branches were opened, 1 in the city of Kolkata. I hope you have visited those branches, because those are branches which are one of its kind. I do not think any other bank in India or even maybe in the Asia Pacific have branches of that nature. But we have not stopped with that. We have done many other things in the digital journey, including the recent tie-ups that you have seen with the e-commerce players such as Amazon and Snapdeal, as well as with payment portals such as PayPal. But many more of these are in the offing, because we believe that we need to collaborate and co-create, and that we are one of the major players in this area, and therefore, we would like to collaborate with many others in the digital space in order to capture those opportunities. No, actually, if you look at the PMJDY or the other schemes that is being launched, the social sector schemes, we are actually trying to leverage our BC network. To the extent possible, this is being done out of the franchisee network, that is the business correspondents. We are empowering them across the nation in order to be able to do these jobs at their end. All of us have actually gone and visited many of these BCs. I do not really think that the lines there are 6-7 hours, because the BCs that I visited, and I visited some of them last week, they were saying that it was taking them between 7 to 15 minutes to get the account open, and the wait time was normally in the range of around, say, about an hour. And that was also on account of the rush because of the insurance schemes that have come in. Otherwise, the people over there, they seemed quite happy with the way the BCs have been working. The bank has also rolled out a massive training program for these BCs. So we will be doing a lot of training for these BCs in order to handhold them, get them empowered, get them to understand all that they can deliver. And we will try to deliver more and more products for this financial inclusion class of customers through the BC channels. Again, regarding restructuring, I think this is a question that we need to answer, because there is a lot of conjecture as to what has led to this. Let me tell you very clearly that this is the result of the window shutting. As you know, from the 1st of April this year, any restructuring would have to be taken as an NPA. And therefore, in the bank, wherever there were accounts that were displaying some amount of weakness, but maybe not really needing a restructuring immediately, many of those accounts have actually gone for restructuring because people don't want an NPA tag. And also because people feel that it will still take about another 2 quarters for the economy to really start ramping up and for the demand to come up. And therefore, they still wanted that the breathing space should be there and did not want to take a risk of things slipping. And that is why I think the restructured number is a little more than we had expected, largely contributed to a very great extent by very many small accounts which have also gone for restructuring. So that's the story behind the restructuring piece. Again, as I said, the fresh slippages have come in at much less. If you consider Q4 of FY14, it was at 7,947. This time in Q4, it has come in at 4,769. And even if you take it sequentially, from the first quarter of FY15, when it was at 9,932, we went down to 7,700, then 7,043, and now to 4,769. So obviously, you know, the slippages in the entire portfolio has been much, much less. And that is, in fact, that is showing up in the form of our continued strong performance on the NII side. Because the less the slippages, the more will be your interest income.